Hi guys, welcome back. The last vlog you all saw was Wacky Weekend, and after that we got busy with assignments, group work and whatnot. And by whatnot I mean making TikToks. I'm sure by now you all know that university is over. Yeah, it's very sad. So we tried to make the most of the last days as it all ended quite abruptly.
Yeah, for like ever and shit.
Yeah.
I'm never seeing Knowledge Village ever again.
But when Sahal asked this question,
You have half an hour left right now in university. What are you gonna do with that half an hour?
everything from the past 3 years came flashing before me, and that's when I realized I've logged some insane memories. So let's get started. We had a high.
Finally.
Feel proud playing my first game in my life.
Be proud of her.
And we had a low.
It was a flop.
Kind of nervous.
We surprised. We celebrated. We sang. And we danced all night long. We all had a glow up midway where Kabir Singh transformed into John Abraham. And we ate and ate and ate, and we also drank. And we also laughed a lot.
This is very.
While vlogging, I realized that Anamika loves to talk, so we did a little feedback session after every outing.
Even though nobody asked for it.
Ah yes, some more footage of us eating. But while some of us shone bright on stage and on field, most of us were in the background as support systems. While we were still figuring out what to do in our lives, and I bet we still are, what remained the same was friendship through thick and thin, day and night. Although the next clips of our last days are just snippets and don't make any sense at large, I just wanted to capture all of it before it was too late. So here goes. Shaz is already spoiling my morning by existing.
It's part of your vlog.
Yeah, you know what? I thought let's vlog because it's in a final year. Yeah.
Part of the vlog.
Oh
the
yeah.
famous
Say
vlog.
hi, Shazia.
Hi, I'm Shazia. She loves me too much. That's why I'm never part of her vlog.
Ah, yes. This is us walking towards our 10 a.m. class. And yes, I asked her to model for me, so thanks, Shazia. These lovely ladies were prepping for a presentation. This is the part where I annoy Sahal, but 10 minutes into class there was a fire drill and we had to evacuate.
We survived? We survived?
There was a fire drill just now. I mean, it's still going on.
Your useless jokes.
You can't be seen though.
Joke doesn't make fire drill. Whoa! 2020. Whoa!
You're too excited for a drill. Okay, go.
Coming for you.
Okay, again afterwards, let's make it hard.
She wants to make it hard. She wants to make it hard. She wants to make it hard for me.
Ew. Did you hear what he said? Oh my god.
Go green. Be like Anamika and throw things in plants. Is your girl, what's your rap name? Juicy what?
No, that's me. I'm Juicy Peach.
This is speaking to Juicy Peach. This is
Alien head. No, that's
this
P
is
head.
this is this is M Anna,
Okay.
What's M Anna?
and this is P head.
Signing off.
Signing off.
M
Awesome.
Anna, what's the full form?
I don't remember the conversation we were having, and I don't know why Mihir is so happy. But the question of the hour was,
Where's my sanitizer?
today is the greatest day of our lives. Confrontation
were
like
like,
Sharon.
And then you were like, remember what you told me? There is. You were like.
So technically, guys, today is the second last day of our university because we have like a one month break. So we are trying to enjoy last bit of our university life, and it's really sad. And right now, the best part of our university life is going on right now between Anaita and Sharon. Varun.
Happening right now.
I will mute all this. Don't worry.
Guys, what are you doing? This is not everything. Okay, I'm going to miss you guys. This coronavirus, is it serious?
Yes, that's what he asked.
Is the coronavirus serious? Ah. Okay. Anyways, good luck. He's wrong. He's wrong. Exactly.
I'm just coming for Naba
It's not disgusting.
and collecting books.
It's just
sexy.
rusted to.
You
Hey,
fine.
what's up, girl?
Oh, like, is there no? There is.
I don't know, Shari.
Why do
I
you
am
want to
the
sponsor?
From my vlogs.
You will also have to
Oh,
remove the fuck that I
wow.
said twice.
Only Jackie Chan can
We
save us.
are
Only
just
Bruce Lee can
spending
save us.
the last
Bruce Lee
moments
can-
we have with each
Bruce
other.
Lee
Dude, I don't. I'm so sad right now. Oh god. I don't know how many times you asked me. Yes, it's long time.
Hello.
Hi. Welcome to our focus group, guys.
Yes.
Oh my
Rishit, finally.
Look, I'm Malaysia.
Welcome to my focus group on virtual influence.
Look, I'm Malaysia. I'm Malaysia.
Very nice. Okay, we are waiting for Sharon, and Naba is not in a good mood. No.
Naba's pissed as hell. Naba, when Sharon comes, you need to tell her that this is not happening. We're leaving. We're done. And we will go eat food.
Good luck with the acting. No, she is not bringing her laptop today. She's bringing.
How do you know?
She's bringing small bag, half day.
She's not there.
It was on the floor. Can you throw it away?
Chi.
She said she's here like 20 minutes ago.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
Pragati, stop being a drama queen.
What do you feel
Yeah,
like?
say all this only for your stupid vlog. I like it.
Shut up! Don't call us
What do you feel
stupid.
like eating?
It's not stupid. I think it's really cool. I enjoy it.
Oh, thanks.
But I don't want to admit
Wow.
it right now. You, Alisha, I was going
You
to
can. You can. Dude, it's
already
me.
chick barely talks to me now. She think I'm a weirdo.
No, no.
So,
It's fine. Whoever comments on my vlogs are my best friends.
my God, what privileges do these best friends get?
Yeah, a special feature in a vlog.
I'm already in the vlog now.
Hi guys.
The star is here. You can start.
Holy shit.
Unacceptable behavior.
What is this?
My neck.
You broke your neck.
I literally couldn't
Nathan, Nathan. Look at her bag. Look at her
I
bag.
was trying, but please, can we appreciate how bright Sharon is today?
Yes.
How bright the lights are.
Hey.
Sit,
Guys,
Thank you so
I'm
much.
sitting. Shut I'm sorry.
Guys, we just got done with the focus group.
Hey,
Yay!
let's go to the food court, please.
A very, very creepy one though. But yeah, Naba, are you happy with the outcome? Yeah? Awesome. Welcome. TikTok in the making.
And I tell your dad. Leave.
Hey, wait, please.
Fast, man. I have to go.
That's just then.
Okay,
Oh
one,
my god, too much editing I have to do.
3. Oh, I did it before.
Oh, together you'll have to do?
No, I can't show you right now. It has to be. Sharon, be ready with that hand like that. And don't be confused, just do it.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Now.
Red will goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. Wishing you a very happy holiday.
Okay, thank you.
Happy Easter.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Drop me, man.
Oh, shit, Easter, yes.
We are opening on Holy Week.
Okay,
Go to
okay, bye,
church,
bye,
go to
Renville.
church,
See you in a
Pray to
month.
God.
Then come to uni.
Come to uni. You come to uni.
Oh, hero.
Coronavirus.
See you in a month.
See you in a month.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
My love for Naita.
Oh, how sweet, very sweet.
I hope Anaita loves it.
Hey, walk fast, man.
Anaita, look.
Playing hard to get, man.
Look what I got for you.
Of course.
Look what I made for you.
Oh,
Heart.
so cute.
Okay, 1 point for trying.
I
Oh,
love you.
Ari.
I know I can't compete, but
Oh,
You're so annoying. Sahal, why?
come dance.
what is that?
Come, baby, come.
That's not how you dance.
Oh, teach me. Beauty and the Beast. She's the beast.
Such a dumbass.
He's coming.
Okay, what are we trying to do, Sahal? Can you please
We're trying
tell people?
to fool someone.
Yeah, it's our last day, yeah, apparently, so we are trying
Yeah,
to...
for like ever and shit.
Yeah.
I'm never seeing Knowledge Village ever again.
For a month at least, yeah. Don't say all that, I'm going to cut off this. But yeah, now we're gonna try. We tried to full iron. It was not.
was a fail
it was a
because-
fail because of you only. And now we're trying to full Mihir. So, wow, nice.
Yeah,
Ready?
Wait,
Ready?
wait. When he comes,
Where is he?
Nothing happened.
Hey Mihir, were you scared?
I was dancing, man.
You dancing?
Yeah. Actually, I'm not good.
Sharon, why you sad? What were you saying?
You're going at 4 o'clock, right?
Oh my god!
Yeah. You have half an hour left right now in university. What are you gonna do with that half an hour?
Hairstylist.
Styling, sadness. This is, I don't know what this is.
She's Big Boss.
Big boss is upset.
Big Boss?
Big boss!
Big Boss चाहते हैं.
क्या?
Dude! I have to only sit and edit all this.
Hey, no cussing on your channel?
No cussing.
Hey, Dubai man, two stand.
Election Dubai?
Yeah.
Guys, we are अलविदा. Yes, अलविदा.
KMDX.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
कल हो ना हो. Mariam, you also come. Ayo there. Bye guys. See you. I don't know when.
After the crisis is over.
Okay. Goodbye. Signing off. Middlesex students signing off. Shanti, bye. Bye.
Signing out, guys.
You look like you're going fishing.
Yes, my fishing bag is over here. This bag.
Oh, wow,
Bag
nice
of
shots, dude.
chocolates.
Nice shots.
Yeah, which fisherman go with the shots? Please tell me.
I don't know.
Is this gonna be part of the blog? Or something?
Probably. I don't know.
Is
Just,
it gonna be like journey to Ankita's surprise?
yeah, actually I could have vlogged in the supermarket, but we didn't.
How?
Oh yeah. Okay, let's update them. So we went to City Mart and we bought some chocolates for Ankita's
We bought a
birthday.
bunch of
So
chocolates
Ankita, if
and
you're
Alasha
watching
chose
this,
them.
you need to thank me because I helped him.
Yeah, Alasha helped me choose the chocolates and I chose some chocolates as well.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. What a bitch laugh, dude. What the hell?
Hi guys, my hair is very oily, it's really bad. Sharon is talking on the phone as usual. Sharon Bob.
Vasi, if you're watching this, she's talking to you.
Yeah, idiot. Number one idiot. Listen to you. Number one idiot. So,
Yeah, put it. Wait. Yeah, keep it there. Keep it there.
Dude, it'll melt by then.
I'm so scared, dude. Okay, keep it there. And you know what to do, yeah? Yeah. Put like, drop it all right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Done.
So I put my hand only.
Wait.
I put sadness on my phone.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
shut up, you just go like that. No, Sharon, no. You lie down and then just sweep you.
What is the video? What?
You move like that.
Hang on. You only do it then. Give it to me.
Oh my god.
So I strutted up to the dance floor and I took off my earrings. I did it.
No, you know, this is. I thought you weren't coming yesterday.
Yeah, I won't.
Hi.
Simply.
Dude, okay,
Ah.
guess
What?
why my dad called me.
You left something at home.
For this mask.
Namika! What are you doing, man?
Something like this in the camera.
Yeah, full cross like that.
Okay, can we? Shall we?
Silence.
Hello, video production.
Okay.
Critical I like your sketch. Hey, this is the group project we're doing, no?
Yeah.
Dude, I have it.
What do?
E, E, E.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Come here.
Go ahead, go side.
He went first.
What are you doing? Only after they move, you move.
You clap.
Wait, I thought she's going to pause.
Shut up, man.
Okay, I got it.
Dude, after
Explain it again.
when you clap, only he moves.
He'll ask again. Wait.
Dude, you come in front,
Okay.
clap, and then move.
Okay, I got it.
This is your
Okay, ready?
Oh god.
banda.
No, don't say that.
1.
Yeah.
Dude, you keep moving in front. When
Okay, man.
because
Like,
Alasha
I know
finishes,
that.
we take one.
Yeah,
Fine. Ready?
Yeah.
You go left, I'll go right.
1, 2,
How will you?
This was going so well.
He was ready to move, dude.
Yeah, I pushed him on the left because he was going straight.
No, I didn't push him down.
I got.
I pushed him to the left because he was moving in front.
No, that one not recorded. That one not recorded.
I'm sorry. Hey, send all the videos, okay?
oh, now you want the videos.
So not you.
Like that.
What type?
When she starts, we have to do.
I can't.
This is car. You drive car.
I'll just do this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this and then clap and then. It's easy.
Ankita, you come.
Or-
Dude, what are you doing?
Okay, guys, what are we
No,
doing?
front, side, back, left, back.
Car, clap.
Yeah, that's
One,
it.
two,
Literally like that. Just go like that.
Should I sit there? Should I sit
Whoa.
here?
I mean, wherever you want.
And you
It's
guys
not
go
equal.
inside.
No, then I'll sit down.
Come on inside.
Others I'll come
No,
down.
it won't be equal.
Yeah, that's it.
It's fine. This is fine.
How is this
Okay, what is
perfect?
it? Car. What is it? Car, clap.
Do that.
Back.
No, it's 1, 2, 3, right? Okay.
Sahar.
All of you go from the right side.
Right is your left is your front.
Her right.
Her right is also my right.
No, she's always right.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
So it's 1, 2,
No, other way. Yeah.
Front.
Dude, I'm so.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
man.
Okay.
I
Hey,
saw
which
what
side?
you did. Jharu
Which
and all.
side? Which side?
This side.
Okay, Yella, please.
Okay.
Okay. Heart's painful.
Wait 1 minute, let me just stand.
You didn't have a cap in the first.
That's the whole point. That's
Oh, God.
TikTok. Anything can happen. Let's go.
Anything can happen.
Okay.
For example, you pass it to me, I can't pass it back to you.
Okay.
Okay, and we can fake passing it. Like I can do this, and if she claps, she's out.
Wait, tell me again. What's the game?
Okay. Before you catch, you clap. Okay.
Yeah.
You can't pass the ball back to the person that gave it to you.
Okay.
When there's more than 4 people, you can't pass the ball to the person beside you.
Okay. But
Okay. Also, you can fake. So I can do this, and if you clap, you're out. I don't have to throw the ball.
so if there are more than 4 people.
More than 4 people, you can't pass it to the person beside
But you
you.
can pass it back to the person who gave it
No.
to you. Oh, that also.
Yeah.
Wait, I can't pass it to the person beside me. I have to go like
Like
that.
only after like
Yeah, throw it.
only after like 4 people are left, then you can.
Sahal.
He's tickling, she's trying to tickle your head.
Oh my head, here.
Tickle.
Ah!
Here.
My two babies here.
Okay, yalla.
Come, baby.
Oh my.
Oh, also if you drop the ball, you're out.
Yeah, nice,
Automatically.
nice ass.
Guys.
You're covering the camera.
Guys. If you drop the ball, you're out, okay? Okay, wait. She's setting the camera.
Okay, ready. Yeah, ready.
Okay, come. Okay, who's ready? Okay, don't clap. No, then you'll be out. You can't clap.
Wait, what? Wait.
You have to clap in the catch, no?
Okay, you said. We'll play one round, we'll show.
No, you have to clap and catch, yeah.
Yeah, but if you clap without catching, you're out.
Okay, yeah.
And you can't pass the ball back.
I played
Okay,
with you
come.
guys. I'm gonna fail this game.
Okay, ready? Out. Both of you are out. Okay.
No, this is trial round.
Okay. Fine.
Trial round.
So you clap then.
I clap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, come in.
Both of you are out. Now,
Trial round.
Enough.
Hey, you could have gone that way.
I did this.
Come.
Okay.
Trial round.
Hey, what? You're out. You caught it.
I
Did she clap?
I did clap.
Go. Out.
See, now it's just focus.
Yeah. Now you can pass it to the person who's ready. Out.
Oh.
Hey, isn't the distance too less?
Yeah, it's too less.
Yeah, but we're not passing fast, no?
Yeah, that's why I hit my heart now.
Hey, I didn't pass that fast, okay? Out.
What?
Yeah, I know. Okay, chill.
Out.
I don't get time to
Come
clap.
here. Why are you going back? Come
Yeah,
here.
go in front. Saha, you go in front. I mean, back, go back.
Okay.
Hey!
He
I
clapped.
He clapped. He's very clapping.
Okay, now we got it, no? Come.
Oh boy.
Ready?
Wait. Raju, he's throwing to me, man.
You're scared.
Don't hit my heart this time, yeah?
Sorry.
Okay.
I saw it coming. Oh man.
Hey, no.
Yeah, the beating, that's what.
Oh no.
That was so.
Okay.
I want to clap now.
Hey, sideways.
Yeah, but 4 people, no? Oh, she got it.
Nice.
Oh, baby and I. Hey, you can't throw like that.
Tan or what?
Psycho, man.
Hey, faster.
Okay, very good. Everyone clap. Yay.
Okay, once more.
Enough.
Hey,
Was memory full. Kid is screaming.
going to do. Oh, Nabba.
Okay. But what is this kid's problem?
You take it. I want to be in it.
Oh no. Wait, what do I do?
One bend.
Oh, okay,
Remember.
ready.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, hi. We're here at Varun's residences, at the Vinod residences, and we had a very good day. We filmed a TikTok, and Sahal was forced to be in it by me.
If anyone's on TikTok, kindly go on Anita's page or whatever.
Anita Mildred.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yes.
And yeah, so I think the day is coming to an end. We're going to go to our respective destinations and.
What did you say?
It's the last official hangout.
Shut up.
Corona lockdown and shit.
Sahal is very sentimental right now. He can't be from the camera.
Hence we met today. Varun, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, I want
You
to
want
put.
it like this? or
Yes,
like
long
this?
shot.
Oh my god, it's a vlog.
Okay,
Come,
bye.
come.
Bye.
Oh wow, I'm just so used to having a vlog squad around me, but since it's quarantine, we have all shifted to online. Guys, say hi.
Can you see me?
Hello, viewers.
Hi, guys.
Me, your favorite. Let's be honest.
Of course. I can't see Vasi. Where's Vasi?
My wolf.
Oh yeah, space blingies. Okay. Blingsy, whatever. We are celebrating 1 year of my vlogs on YouTube, and yay! This is my vlog squad, and it's paused on a very weird angle, but yeah. Guys, thank you so much for coming on the vlog party. Yeah, this is the part where you're supposed to clap and say hoo hoo and all. Yeah. Okay, now we shall resume the vlog party and have fun.
Her first birthday, like 4 days before that, I was just on the plan.
Karen, you know when you entered that day, oh, that was pretty hot.
Guys, thank you so much for attending the vlog party. More enthusiasm, please. Awesome. Okay, bye. Good night. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Good night. Thank you so much.